Something happened while we were filming today, and for a moment I thought about cutting it all out. In just a few seconds, a lizard slipped past us along the forest floor. A butterfly danced through the air, and a leaf let go and fell, and Jill coughed. None of it was planned, none of it was polished, and it felt like a great big clearing. None it all out in our heads. Feel. It's all right. That was a clearing. And rather than so the lizard low to the ground, blending in and adapting, the butterfly transforming, light becoming, the falling leaf letting go, returning to nourish what comes next, and the cough, a release. I could have edited it all out, and instead I left it in because this is practice, this is life, nothing scripted, everything meaningful. An invitation to live and move in a little bit more of an unscripted way.